Hello and welcome to the ZGadgetReview. This is Carlos. Today we have the unboxing of the Galaxy Watch by Samsung. This is the 46mm Bluetooth version. Let's do a quick tour of the box. Here's the side and what we have on the back. I don't know if the camera can focus there. Not the bottom of the box, the top and the other side. This is the black and silver chrome, whatever you want to call it. And here is the watch. We'll come back to it in a minute. See what else we have in the box here. We have the charging cable, the charging stand. You put the watch there to charge. There's nothing else here. On the other side we have the regular documentation and the plug for the charger. And you have your quick start, your quick starting guide. And there's something else in here. So these are, hold on, looks like another set of bands, or just one band. That's weird, it's only one in here. I'm assuming there should be two. What do I know? Maybe one's missing. So here's the watch. Here's the heart rate monitor on the back. This is one of the straps, and oh, wait a minute. Okay, so it has the replacement for this strap, so you get one strap shorter than the other. So if your wrist is smaller, then you can replace it. We'll do a full review on this. Turning on the Galaxy Watch. This is the power button. This is a programmable button. And then you navigate the watch by rotating the bezel. This has been the unboxing of the Galaxy Watch by Samsung. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.